This is upstate New York for you. Woke up this morning and look. Look at this. Look at all that snow. There was a freaking snowstorm last night. I got massive to do. I'm getting my pre-out done. Your girl do not drive in snow. So my man got to drive me around. I know he might be a little annoyed, but it is what it is. Okay, so just got my labs done, but I went to like a smaller little hospital that's associated with my doctor, and they do not do EKGs here, so I got to go to the main hospital. I just want to show y'all what it look like outside. This is what it look like. It's a freaking snowstorm going on, but I gotta get this done. They only give you like 4 days at AVANA, like literally like 7 days. It started today, which is Friday. The day it got to be submitted is freaking, so it's the 4th, March 4th, which is next Friday. So I gotta get it done today because I gotta submit. You know, it takes some time for the results to come back, so I gotta get them submitted by the 4th. So I gotta get them done today. My man about to be upset, child, that he gotta drive me somewhere else. Like, it's nasty out. Oh, here we go. So
notch like that. That's where it's like.
They don't do EKGs here. They don't have it. But they did everything else. I gotta go to St. Peter's to get my EKG done. Hey y'all. So right now I'm on my way to my primary care physician's office to get my lab results because my lab work is ready. I saw my patient portal. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a picture of it and upload it into the AVANA patient portal, and and then I am going to keep a physical copy in my folder, and then my doctor's appointment, when I get my medical clearance on Friday, I'm gonna have my primary care faxed it as well, so to have it all 3 ways. I gotta hold my freaking phone in my hand because my man broke my freaking phone piece thing, that thing that holds it in my car. He broke it doing the most. We took a little city trip for the weekend, doing the most, like. So now I gotta freaking hold my phone. So I'm gonna get back to y'all once I upload it, let y'all know if I had any issues or anything like that, because I can't keep holding my phone like this because I'm not trying to get pulled over, okay? Not today, not right now. You know what I just realized as I was uploading that crap? That I literally didn't even need to even go to my primary care physician office. I could have probably just screenshotted it from my patient portal and then just uploaded it that way. What an idiot. But, well, at least I have the physical copies, but I could have just saved that trip for Friday. You know? Whatever. So, y'all, let me show y'all what I got so far for surgery. I got my Tylenol PM. Well, it's a compared to Tylenol PM, so it's like a Tylenol PM. Tylenol Extra Strength. This is all stuff I got from Dollar Tree. Dow soap, got that from Dollar Tree. This is some probiotics. This is some cranberry probiotics I got for Feminine Health, because they say that the antibiotics that they give you get yeast infections. So I'm gonna be taking that. Some wipes to help clean up that blood off me before I'm able to shower. Some baby powder. I got this from Dollar Tree as well. I got this from Amazon though. These pills. I got this hydrogen peroxide from Dollar Tree to help clean the blood off the faja. I got these this stool softener. This is for my colonoscopy. I didn't have this. I just got it out my medicine cabinet. These balls. I got this from Dollar Tree. For, you know, when you wake up and your throat hurts from the breathing tube from surgery. Arnica gel. I got this from Amazon. This was like $7. It was really cheap. Women's One Day. I got this from Amazon as well. This was like $11. It wasn't expensive. And it comes with 100 tablets. So that's lit. These lymphatic drainage drops. But when I got them in the mail, it came with no top. I'm like, what type of crap is that? It ain't come in a box or nothing. It was weird. But whatever, I got it. No need to try to send it back. So my surgery is in 2 weeks now, so I don't have time for that. This chemo relief is to help with nausea. If it helps with chemo patients, it's definitely gonna work for me. I got this Opti Recovery from Amazon as well. This was like $30. This is expensive. This lymphatic drainage drops I got from Amazon as well. They were expensive. They were like $30 each. And this was cheap though. This was like $7. And let's see what else I got. I got these compression socks off Amazon. They were like 16 bucks. They're a little bit too expensive for me, but I just wanted to get off Amazon because I was getting everything else off there. But they come in like cute little designs and stuff. Whatever. I got the backboard. This is the one that's long with this part at the bottom. It's pretty long. Looks like this. This was $30, but it has really good reviews and it's really soft. It's thick and soft, so it's, you know, it'll be comfortable, but it'll compress. I got this as well. Front board from Amazon, $30 as well. Indeed, really good reviews, really sturdy. The ends actually like bend like this, so that's lit. I always forget to hold my camera like this when I'm doing these things. Let's see. I got these foam boards from Amazon, like $30, but it comes in a pack of 3. That's all I need, and I will be reusing them. I hope that faja lasts so I can actually like, take it out. Shh, we're making a video. So I got these arnica tea from Amazon as well. This is really cheap. It was about $7. I got this urinal from Amazon. It was about 17 bucks. No, $12. It wasn't that expensive. I can take it out the thing. Sorry. Look how big it is. I have a fat coochie, so I need the big one. It's nice and big. Like, it's huge. Like, let me show you, just to show you how big it really is. It's really big. A lot of people complain that the urinal's too small, but not the one I got. I got this massage roller off Amazon. It's like $30. Now for the stuff I got from Family Dollar and Dollar Tree. Well, more stuff I got from Dollar Tree. I got this from Dollar Tree. Help scrub and to help, you know, massage myself in the shower. I got gauze pads from Dollar Tree. I got this from Family Dollar, the poise pads. And the diapers I got from Family Dollar. Let me show you the packaging. This was the most expensive thing I bought at a Dollar Tree. This junk was like almost $20 for that. But my sister-in-law, she is getting her body done, and she's getting a BBL, so I'm gonna let her have the rest of those. Tape for the gauze pads for my incisions. I got this big cup with a straw from Family Dollar, so I can lay down and still hydrate myself. And I got these disposable adult underpads for incontinence. Dollar Tree. It comes 2 a pack. Okay? I don't know why everybody's getting puppy pads that will break out their skin because it's for animal feces. Dollar Tree has these. Go get them. Okay, and I got this from Dollar Tree as well. It's like a little scratcher. It's supposed to be like a back scratcher, but it's like, you know what I mean? It's Dollar Tree, so they ain't got no long, extensive, cute, you know what I mean? Real good back scratchers, but nonetheless, it's gonna scratch my back. You know what I mean? It's gonna get the job done. Got that. And that is so far from my supply list, baby. All right, this is the faja I got off Amazon. This was only 30 bucks. Crotch out. Have great reviews. I mean, great reviews on Amazon for people who used it for surgery for themselves. This is the 3X. You know, because your girl is thick. It looks like it's gonna fit. It looks like it's probably might be too big. You know, after a while, but hopefully not. I ain't tried it on yet. But yeah. It has like 3 rows right here. So as I get smaller, I can, you know, I use the size chart. The size chart set up in 3X. So that's what I got. It looks kind of big, but hopefully it ain't too big. So I'm officially clear for surgery. I went to my primary care physician for my clearance. And that same day that she filled out that form for medical clearance, I took a picture of it, uploaded it into my portal, and then I emailed my my coordinator, Aileen. I told her that it was uploaded. Within an hour, I was cleared. So that process was extremely easy. So it's 14 days until my surgery, and I'm so excited. Most of my stuff have been taken care of. I know I said that we were going to be staying at my husband's dad's house, but I'm not sure about that anymore. He's talking about he wants to get a hotel, whatever. As long as he's booking it and paying for it, you know, it doesn't really bother me. But 2 more weeks.